All right, good Friday afternoon. Despite a very healthy-looking Jose on satellite imagery, as of the 11 a.m. advisory, no upgrade to a Category 1 hurricane. It is expected, though, as we go into the next 12 to 24 hours here. You can see very symmetrical system there right now, starting to show some thunderstorm development around the core as it's moving out of an area of very strong wind shear and also in a very warm ocean waters. That'll continue as it moves off towards the west, northwest, and then off towards the north as a Category 1 storm. Now, despite the cone of uncertainty having been shifted slightly off towards the east, it is just knocking on our doorstep and off the coastline of Virginia and North Carolina. And this storm system, the center, can track anywhere within this cone. Margin of error is quite large at that point in time, so even if it tracked a little bit farther off towards the west, we will still see fringe effects here in terms of strong winds along coastal locations. In fact, here's the probability of tropical storm force winds. That's winds of 39 miles per hour or greater sustained. And you notice it gets up to around 40% chance out through the Outer Banks as we get into the early part of next week. On top of that, wave action going to be quite high, so that means rip current risk very, very high. We could see 10 to 15-foot waves offshore of both Virginia and North Carolina, even right up into New England as we get into early next week as we watch the system and how it progresses and evolves. Here closer to home, a beautiful afternoon to wrap up the work week. We're sitting at 81 degrees right now with a dew point of 69. Still kind of muggy out there, and temperatures region-wide pretty much the same. 81 Smithfield, 83 in Chesapeake, 85 now in Newport News, 81 Williamsburg, 83 in Edenton, and 79 in Virginia Beach. Going through Futurecast here, that heating of the day, cooking things up in the atmosphere. There's enough instability to pop out a few showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, say about a 20% chance this afternoon. Once the sun sets, we lose that daytime heating and any energy kind of disperses and skies clear out tonight. Temperatures fall back into the 60s. Tomorrow, winds will kick in out of the northeast a little bit more with high pressure to our north. A little more in the way of some cloud cover, but I think we stay mainly dry. 82 this afternoon, partly cloudy, that isolated risk of a pop-up shower later on tonight, this evening I should say. 69 tonight, partly cloudy skies and comfortable. Here's a breakdown of your upcoming weekend. We're looking at high temperatures tomorrow, 81, partly to mostly cloudy, especially in the afternoon, slightest risk of a pop-up shower. And then Sunday, right around 80, I think we'll see a little bit more in the way of some sunshine then. And then by Monday and Tuesday, we're really going to keep an even closer eye on where Jose eventually tracks. Remember, we will see indirect effects here in terms of rip currents, rough surf, and also some winds, especially in our coastal locations Monday and Tuesday before things quiet down by the middle of the week.
So the indirect effects of the storm, which is good, they're coming on Monday, Tuesday, because we have the air show this weekend.
That's true. It's holding off.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Tim.